Well, I'm back again for another paint party. I'm not sure if I'm going to include the previous pour with this. This makes multiple pours that I've done. Practicing my Dutch pour, and I'm very picky about the outcomes. I actually, in the last video, I thought I was going to keep it, because it had turned out better than the others I had done, but the more I thought about it, the more I decided not to keep it, because this is my last 16-inch by 20-inch canvas, and I don't know when I'll be buying any more. I'm unemployed and don't have any income coming in, and I haven't sold any paintings since Christmas. So spending more money for canvases is something I'm kind of torn on right now. So for now, this is my last one, and I'm being picky about what the results will be that I'm going to keep. So I've only added one other color to it, and I'm going to have less of one color, but all the colors that I'm using will be provided in the description, as I typically do. So let's go ahead and get started. And hopefully this is going to be our last try, because the canvas is getting a little wet. I did take a break and let it dry a little bit. Between some of these trials, but your canvas will only take so much. And it gets wet and bogged down. Might put a little bit more of this. Okay. Wasn't exactly how I was planning. Wasn't exactly how I was planning. This part here, I just couldn't get any good movement there. Around at a different angle. Okay, that is it. That is a wrap. Okay, I'm gonna get the, let's torch it real quick. That was much longer than I normally blow on a Dutch pour. But it just wasn't going out the way I wanted it to. This is a lot better. Okay. Yeah. Give you a close-up. Okay. I had to stop it. I had touched the screen and it threw it off of its focus. I'm sure you can see some glimmer through there because we've got a lot of metallics in this. And it will look totally different when it's dry. My blues look really good. That phthalo green, phthalo blue, you just can't beat that. It's such a nice blue. We've got some mixing of colors here that's made a lavender looking color. It's got a lot going on here. That's a lot of different contrasts, which I think will be good in the final piece. Parts that look I don't know the word to use, like cloudy or something kind of, or this part here, you know, where it's kind of misty looking or something, and then you've got clear pattern like this to contrast. A lot of cells over in this area. Really interesting, I have to say. But it was a lot of work. That was not an easy come for that one at all. And it didn't turn out with a set composition as I typically try to have. But you know what? I'm kind of happy with this one. Well, I got broke up and accidentally hit a button that I shouldn't hit. Anyway, I was saying how it's different, and I like to do things that are different, that doesn't look like what everybody else is putting out there. And I definitely have to say this fits the bill. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, give me a thumbs up, comment, ask me some questions, give me some suggestions, share with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed, I sure would appreciate it if you did so. I'd love to have you along in all my future paint parties. I'm looking forward to it, but for today, I'm going to sign off, and I will see you later. Bye.